What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome, and today I want to tell you about these. These are some new ELRS receivers from Radiomaster. They got a bunch coming out, and these are all PWM. For those of you driving cars, boats, planes, and gliders, this is the stuff that you're looking for. Stay tuned, and I'll tell you all about it. All right, so I'm going to make this a quick video, and you know what? These are for boats, planes, cars, and gliders, things that I don't really use a lot. Now, I'd love a plane or a glider, but I just don't have a bunch, so I'm going to give these receivers away. So if you're interested in one of these receivers, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you're looking for. I'll probably parse these out to Patreons first, and then whatever's left, we'll give them away. Make sure you're in the US of A, lower 48 states. I'm shipping these myself, so it gets a little pricey overseas. Anyway, let's learn about these receivers. Now, drone guys, we tend to use these really small receivers. And yes, you could put these on a drone. You could probably decase it, make it a little bit lighter. Receivers used to be this big anyway. Something like a 5 or 7 inch, not a big deal. But, those little micros, you need these small receivers. This is EP1 from Radiomaster as well. First, they are all PWM receivers that run ELRS. Now, they're running 3.2 out of the box. You don't have to upgrade them if you don't want to, which is really nice. And an Express LRS or ELRS is a great long-range system. It's kind of becoming basically like the default. It's what you go with if you're flying or driving really anything these days. And most of these are, look at that, dual antennas, which is really pretty nice. So let me run down some of the specs on some of these different receivers. We've got 4, 6, and 8 channel receivers. This here is my ER4, right? Standard 4 channel ELRS receiver. We've got the 6, the 6G, and we've got the 6GV. Now, the GV series has a built-in Vario, so if you're flying gliders, that's pretty cool. Now, if you're flying gliders in competitions, you can't use Vario, then you want the 6G. You kind of got to basically decide, do I want the bigger or the smaller? The smallest one, this ER4 4-channel receiver, starts at 15 bucks. The 6 is 25, the 6G 30, the GV 35, the ER8 is 35, the ER8G is 35, and then the ER8GV is 40. I have been using Radiomaster receivers for a while now, and I've also made the switch to the Radiomaster Boxer. I really love the form factor of this radio. My old school TX16S, great radio, but I just love the smaller form factor. Also, another option is the Zorro. I was flying the Zorro for a while with some little micro drones, but I find this Boxer to be kind of like the best in the middle. It's kind of big enough, but also small enough. So this will work with planes, trains, and automobiles as well. So, if you're thinking about upgrading your radio or getting something that's nice, small, and compact to go with these receivers, you can get this as an ELRS internal as well. Or you could opt for, like a 4-in-1 and then just get the module for ELRS, right? There's lots of different ways you can do it. Anyway, I'll leave some more details on these receivers. Basically, you have to figure out how many channels are you looking for, 4 to 8. Do you want the smaller form factor, the little skinnier guy, the big guy? Do you need a Vario? What is it that you're looking for if you're a PWM receiver? Some more details in the description down below if you're looking for all the specs and fun stuff like that. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you want one of these things, drop a comment down below. We'll give them away. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.